I'll just show you how to stream audio from your phone through the Bluetooth system in the 2017 VW Golf. If we go, or if you go to your iTunes, click on iTunes, you see at the bottom, that used to be a red triangle with 3 red circles. Now it's a silver triangle with 3 red circles. If you click on there, you'll see VWBT, that's got a tick next to it. Now, if we go over to media, that's showing auxiliary. We'll press media again, and that's come up with what's playing on my phone. You may have to press that a couple of times, especially if you've got either an SD card in, something connected to the auxiliary in, or the USB in. So here we go. So if I turn this up, it's turned down on my mobile. So now, that's it. That's how you play it. I can't play it for too long, otherwise I'll get a copyright strike on my YouTube channel. And but that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.